Everyone, I will show you how to set up your child's safety smartphone. First, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The phone will start up and enter into the Kids OS. Okay. Select Settings to connect to a wireless network. If there is no wireless network available, you can use the phone's data. Second, download the CloudCare parental app by scanning the QR code and register a new account. Register a new account. Bind your child's phone to the account by scanning the next QR code. Name the child's phone and enter a phone number. You can now control your child's phone remotely. First, remotely control the switch of your child's phone in GPS. You will need to send a text message. Do the same for data and apps. Before we can choose current location, we need to first click Quick Location, which will send a text message to your child's phone that updates the child's current location within the parent's phone. Then you can choose Current Location to see where your child is presently. Under History Record, you can see where your child has been. Next, select Geofence to create an area your child must stay within. To do this, click Add Geofence and choose 3 or more locations your child must stay within. Touch and hold. If your child goes in or out of the parameter, a text message will be sent to the parent's phone. In case the phone is lost or stolen, you may choose to lock the device under Lock Device. Under CloudCare, there are 2 modes. First, you may decide to allow your child to use all apps, or you may decide which apps they're allowed to use and at which times. When you have chosen the apps your child is allowed to use, you must synchronize it with your child's phone. Under CloudCare, you may also manage your child's contacts. You may choose to allow them to call anyone, or you may choose to decide who they're allowed calls from and who they may allow to call. If you choose to block a contact, your child will not be allowed to call or receive calls from that contact. Another function under Cloud Care is website management. Parents can decide to allow their child to see any website, or they may choose only certain websites. Under SOS, you may program a number, an emergency number that your child may call right away if they need to. Under Settings, you may choose the location update frequency. That's all for the parent's phone. Now let's go back to the child's phone. On the child's phone, there are two settings: the child settings and the parent settings that are in the upper left-hand corner. Under Secure Location, you need to turn on the geolocation switch so that the child's phone can upload its current location with the parent's phone. Under App Management, there are two modes. The first one, Classroom Mode. Parents can set their child's classroom time. And when Classroom Mode is turned on, their child will only be able to see books and make emergency calls only. Under Custom Mode, parents may either choose free to use all apps, or they may choose which apps their child is allowed to use. Here, if you click here, your child will be allowed to set their own settings. Under Contact Management, parents may decide to allow their child to use all contacts, or they may choose to allow their child to only be able to call certain contacts. If parents decide to block a contact, their child will not be able to call or receive calls from this contact. Under Web Page Management, parents may again choose to allow their child to see all websites, or they may choose the ones they decide. Under SOS, you can program an emergency contact number so that your child may simply press SOS and it will dial the number immediately. If you would like to use the phone as a normal Android phone, simply press Exit Kids OS and it will return back to an Android system. If you would like to return to the Kids Safety phone, simply press Kids OS and it will return back to the Child Safety phone.